Morning everybody and welcome to today's video. Let me just put this down a minute. Thank you for joining me today. Today is a very special day for me because this is actually my stag do night day thing. And today's activity in the day, we're going go-karting obviously. If you're wondering why I'm in some kind of fireproof suiting, that's why. One of my favourite hobbies other than YouTubing is karting. I absolutely love karting. If you've seen some of my older videos, you'll see I've done some karting videos in the past. I think there's going to be about 9 of us all together that's like in the stag group, so that's going to be pretty cool. My dad's going as well, which is the reason why you saw that silver trophy, because whenever I go with my dad I always end up with second. Let's see if we can sort that today. He's always better at overtaking. I can get a quick time, then I'm at the front of the grid for the race, but then he overtakes really well, so need to improve on that. Let's see, got to pick up a few people. Got to pick up my best man, got to pick up the future brother-in-law, some other friends. I think we're going to bomb it down there and get some racing done. Right, we've topped up on some V-Power, money out of the bank for tonight. Maps ready set up, ready for the first pickup. FM transmitters linked to the Bluetooth, banging tunes on the way. Let's go. Love you. Pick up number 1. See ya. Bye. Bye. Love you. Ah. Right, chuck this stuff in here. We've got 2 more pickups to do.
Is there a
technique? A technique? Just get it in, mate.
That's what I always do.
Look at that. Oh, you disgust me. He's got my frigging face on him. What are you doing?
Right, boys.
Right, that's pickup number 2 anyway. Right, I'm just going to go and get Carl, and then that's us 3. And my dad's picking Kevin up.
Alright.
Alright. How's it going?
Bad you.
Alright.
Right,
number 3.
That's it.
Right. Dad! They're flashing. Right guys, we're in ready to go. As you can see, I've got a bloody pink suit on. You alright? What are you doing? Because it's my stag, they organised frigging pink suit. We've got 9 of us on track. I'm watching D. I'm gonna try and beat me dad today. Shut up. Okay guys. Get them tyres warmed up. Right, so on track today we are doing a qualifying session first, fastest times, and then it's on to the second race, which will be position based on our qualifying. So we're going to just get fastest times, the main thing in this race. We've got some newbies on, we've got some people that have caught before, yellow, so let them go. I went karting recently in Wakefield, so I'm just going to recalibrate for this. I'm getting loads of wind through this visor. This accelerator is really sensitive, like there's no springiness on it, so I've got no pedal feel at all, which is strange. Right, just testing all colours to make sure everybody can respond to them. Okay. Okay. Yellow for crawling paste. My eyes are so windy, I don't understand why. Speed! Speed for the hill! Come on, boyos. All the way around the outside. See what we can get. This is what I mean, well, some people are faster than others. I need to get some clear ground so I can get a quick timing, so I need to, whilst the pack is still quite tight and people aren't spread out, I need to get in front where my dad is. And then I know I can get a clean lap in. Oh, I didn't want them to hit me.
Going some rain drifts today. Ain't good for speed though. Oh, close to that barrier. Catching up to me dad. Bit of backfire. Right, so this is the race now, guys. I'm in second. Oh. Do I want to win?
Yeah.
Not unfairly, I don't know. I'll beat you if I beat you fair and square. Don't hold back. You nervous? I might not talk a lot here, guys.
Make sure boys slow down. Get the red. Get the red. Get full plus green, okay? Alright guys, are we ready?
Naughty! That was naughty. You pitted him. You pit maneuvered him. You hit him. No. Oh, fucking hell. Go! saw that, guys. You witnessed that dirty, dirty driving from a dirty old man.
You